Baseplan Presents video features how to process an item swap on a rental contract, focusing on the following areas: actioning an item swap on a rental contract, selecting the item to be collected, confirming the driver and reason for the item swap, confirming the replacement item to be delivered, viewing the delivery and pickup dockets.
Okay, so I'm currently logged into Baseplan Enterprise, and we're going to be going through how we can actually manage swapping out equipment on a current rental contract. So the scenario might be that there's maybe faulty equipment that are on site. Maybe we want to replace that piece of equipment with another model because we want to increase that utilization for another rental contract. Whatever the scenario might be, and how we can actually manage that process in the actual rental contract itself. So I've just got a rental contract that I've already created that's in a current status and it's being delivered. So we've got our 1.7 ton excavator, for example. And so what we can do is we can go up to actions and go down to item swaps. So this is then going to bring up a screen where it's going to want me to explain or select, sorry, what detail line are we wanting to swap out. So I might have multiple detail lines on this rental contract. So I can choose the only one that's here. And if I wanted to, I could even choose the driver that we want to actually complete this item swap as well. And so I can choose my driver and we can select the reason on why we want to complete the item swap. So we can set up different reason codes in the system. If we wanted to, we can add some delivery and pickup charges as part of that process. But if it's typically going to be damages, we're going to be, obviously potentially doing that free of charge. And if we wanted to here, we could show all the different types of equipment, or we can just default it to match the model of equipment that's already on the rental contract. Now, if I click on the equipment number, it'll show me different serial numbers that I could choose from to actually replace this unit. So I can choose one, and you can see here, it's going to pull through the meter reading for the unit that I just selected. Now, this is an important factor. You can see here this flag where it says complete delivery and pickup. So we can stage it so we aren't going to be flagging the delivery and pickup as completed straight away. We want someone to manage it from a transport logistics standpoint. So maybe allocate it out, get the driver to go out, pick up the equipment, and then come back as well. So if we untick this and hit OK. So this is going to confirm that this is going to initiate a swap between the two units. You can see here, swap from that unit to that unit was successful. Now, because I had the print docket flag ticked, that's also going to give me the ability to print out a copy of the relevant documents automatically as part of the process. So we can see here, I've got my delivery docket. So I'm sending out 17009. And as part of that, we want to pick up 17005, and then we can do some inspection information around what we're actually picking up and anything that's relating to it as well. Now, this same information will flow through onto the Baseplan mobility application as well if you wanted the person to be using a mobile device. So now we can see on the detail line, there is an off rent, so an off hire for the line that is having issues, and it's automatically added the new line on here, and it's delivery required. And if we went to the movement details, we can see the original delivery to get the first unit out there is completed, and then we've got a delivery and pickup that is unactioned. So then what we can do is we could then go through and look at our transport module if we wanted to, and we'll be able to see the deliveries and pickups that I just allocated out to Baseplan driver. And so in that process, I would then go through, complete that information. It would return the issue that the item that's having issues, and then it'll go into the inspection process, and then we'll put the other unit out on rent. All right, well, I hope this gave you some information on how you can actually manage your item swaps a bit better and how you can actually control that all within a rental contract. If you have any ideas or questions or future topics, please leave a comment in the section below.